here right now. All-out battle between all the racers. There we go. King and Cabal on the inside. What a bold move there by King and Cabal, man. Making a move.
There we go. The checkered flag is being waved, and
Of course, the
Lindo
rest of the
Kilman's
Cebu
comeback
racers
race is official.
Is from Honda Motor World, Gary Cajeda leading the pack, getting on the heck of things.
Look at that one. Mario Borbon came out of nowhere. Borbon making a move there on the inside. Borbon takes the
Java
lead.
Grand Prix time.
Jump back. This is the battle for the top racer of the year.
They're up. Here we go.
Look at that one. Canotise made a move there. Canotise is now leading the race there from Chris Carlos. Chris Carlos Samuga on the outside right now. Oh, Samuga. Daggio. Good move there for Daggio, blocking all the racers there. Look at the gap there by Daggio. Vinci Coloma getting to the nick of things. Look at that one. Vinci Coloma is closing in right.
Who will go? Everybody is shouting here on the racetrack.
Who will emerge as the top racer for Visayas and Mindanao?